I have the recipe that will save your Thanksgiving. Saddle up, campers. Thanksgiving, no bake, pumpkin ginger pie. I got you covered. All right, so we got our Finlandia original cheese dip. I have 1/3 cup of sugar, and we're gonna add in maple syrup, clove, nutmeg, and pumpkin spice. And last thing we're gonna do is 1 cup of pumpkin puree. Close this up. And just like that, Finlandia has saved Thanksgiving. Just gonna steal our filling back out, add in heavy whipping cream, pumpkin whipped cream for our topping. Super simple now, just to put it together. These are ginger cookies. Then we're just gonna take our pumpkin pie filling, take your whipped cream, pecans that I warmed in the oven, do a little bit of maple syrup drizzle. And if you're looking for extra credit points, always keep a little bit of edible glitter on hand.